Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. It's me Nabeel Ahmad and welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Nabeel. So guys, today I'm gonna show you the best website which is made by HTML and CSS, which is also highly fully upgraded in Bootstrap 5. So I'm going to show you the best portal and the name bar, which is demo, layout, pages, UI element and apps. So moving forward, popular admin HTML5 template approved by over 7k buyers since 2014. The perfect template for the professional admin project. Included 20 plus included dashboards and projects using portal admin. This is the dashboard which I am gonna show you on the last, and the most customized plus solid and tested best, and also the speed, performance and solid test best, usability and customer experience, portal front end template and template update by portal admin. Now which I click the portal admin is also, which I'm gonna show you that $16 is also the portal admin card, and when you add to card on this portal admin, the portal admin will be showing you some details, and when you submit your details, then you will buy it. See how it works. Basically its work looks like this. Alright, so moving forward, this is the top performance, and this is made by HTML, CSS and JavaScript as well. When I click, you can see, when I click on move the cursor button, you can see the little circle showing you, and when I move forward, the works perfectly on any device. Alright, then these are the things which is made by HTML, CSS and Bootstrap, also JavaScript, dashboard, header and navs, and also the professional support, and this is the last page. Alright, footer page. You can see the footer page, and build your project with portal admin, purchase now only $16. So HTML, Shop HTML, WordPress, Magento, Shopify and Drupal. Portal admin is Outlook, Insta, Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. You can see the different colors about the Insta, Facebook and Twitter and YouTube. Moving forward, the demos, you can see the demos. These are the demos, and layouts, which I click landing page. You can see the dashboard as well. This is the landing page, and when I enable default box and static header or dark header, this is the basically dashboard which I showing you. Here you can see the dark header, and you can see it's the basic application service town, user unlock, connection restaurant. This is the messages, and these are the things which you have done. This is the search. You can search anything with whatever you want. You can see this is the dashboard. The dashboard is showing you the sales goal 35%, and also the e-commerce and dashboard, product list and so on. So basically it's a professional website which is made by HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You can see the price filter as well, and you can see the small size and the medium size and the large, and this is the product form. Alright, so if you guys like this website, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.